Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to reset PIN in Messenger. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply open up the Messenger application into your device. And from here, just simply tap on the three lines on the top left corner of the screen or the menu icon. And now from here, you should be able to see the gear icon on the top right over here. So tap on it. And after that, just simply go ahead and scroll down and just simply go for privacy and safety. And from here, you will have multiple options. Just simply go for end-to-end encrypted chats over here. And after that, you should be able to see here message storage. So tap on that. And from here, you should be able to see reset pin. So just simply tap on that, reset pin, and just simply create your pin over here. And after that, just simply confirm your pin. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.